Good evening, guys. So today we will discuss the topic review of related literature. This is the important topic of the MEd class, PhD class, review of related literature, right? So under this topic, we will understand concept and meaning. Then we will understand purpose of review of literature. Then importance, objectives of review of literature. What are the sources of review of literature? And in last, we will discuss types of review of literature. Okay, guys. First, we understand what is the meaning of review of literature or review of related literature, right? A literature review is a comprehensive summary of the previous research on a particular topic, right? It may be used as the background for a primary research, right, guys? So before starting this topic, I just want to tell, now you have selected your one topic, your research problem on which you have to work. Okay. Next, the question arises from where you will collect the data. Okay. Review of related literature. It is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a particular topic, right? It may be used as a background for a primary research or study or project. Okay. As well, a literature review is a compilation, classification, and evaluation of what other researchers have written on a particular topic, right? Now, purpose of review of literature. What is the purpose? The purpose of literature review is to gain an understanding of the existing research relevant to a particular topic, study, or problem, and to present that knowledge in the form of written report. It may be used as the background or context for a primary research as well. The review of related literature purpose is to, the first, describe the relationship of each work to the others under consideration. Then identify new ways to interpret and shed light on any gaps in previous research, resolve conflicts amongst seemingly contradictory previous studies, find gaps in the literature that can become the research question, point the way forward for further research, and highlight the strength, weaknesses, and controversies in the field of study. Right, guys? So basically, this is the purpose of review of related literatures. Okay. Actually, what happens in a research when you select any of the topic, okay, then guys, there is a need of a data from where you will collect the data. So purpose of review of related literatures tells you you should have a solid background of your topic so that you can justify your topic. Okay. So these are the purpose of review of related literature. Okay. Aapko review of related literatures tells you, okay, either the relationship of the variables, okay, what is the, it talks about strength, weaknesses, and controversies in the field of your study. Okay. Sometimes, okay, you have chosen a topic. When you have to present the topic, guys, you should have the theoretical knowledge. You should have a good base. So review of related literature is a topic which makes your base. You have selected a topic. Anyone, whenever you have to present, you should have a theoretical based. Then review of related literatures helps you. Okay. Okay. Next, we understand importance, objectives of reviews of literature. Okay. Number first, it provide foundation of knowledge on a particular topic. Okay. You can take the example of my previous class. In the previous class of research problem, okay, you know that I took one example. What was my example? Example was effect of social media on the people's mind. Okay. So guys, I should have a solid knowledge of the social media, right? So then, review of related literature helps me It provides the foundations of knowledge. Okay. Identify area of prior scholarship to prevent duplication and give credit to other researchers. Even it helps me. A review of related literatures helps me to tell, okay, for example, I have selected that topic. I cannot claim na कि by this topic, I'm the first person in the world who is selecting that topic, effect of social media on the people's mind. Guys, it might be na, there can be a research on that particular topic because there are so many persons in the world. Okay, it can also be na, we can guess that na other persons, they have also done research on that particular topic. Okay, so then before going forward, I have to learn from the review of related literature what the other persons, they have solved the solution for that problem. Okay, and whatever the problems, whatever the gaps they didn't touch, okay, then I will delimit my topic, then I will work on that, the gaps they didn't touch. Okay, so review of related literature helps me to find out this. Otherwise, what will happen after a 1 year, 1.5 years, when I will write the thesis, then I came to know that this research has already been done. So this is a copy ho gaya na, and credit to, I'm giving the credit to another person. So first I have to clarify that, okay, this is the new topic. Even if topic is not new, the problem can be a new. Okay, so then from learning from related of literature, I will come to know that other researcher didn't work on that, so that in my research I can work on that. Got it? Next is identify inconsistencies. This is important. Okay, now after learning the review of related literature, I will come to know that gaps in research, conflicts in previous studies, open studies left from other research. So guys, these all things will become my objective and I will work on that. Okay, apni marji se, from not my own wish, I can do that. I have to work on it. Okay, because I don't know now. Already some other persons, they have done work on that. Okay, so only the meaning of a research is that I have to work where the other researcher has left it, right? Again, importance objectives of reviews of literature. It identify need for additional research, identify the relationship of a work in context of its contributions to the topic and to other works as well. Place your own research within the context of existing literature, making a case for why further study is needed. Right, guys? So these all are the importance objectives of reviews of related literature. So guys, whenever we are going to select a topic, or either during the process of selections of a topic, it is a good habit to take the help of the review of related literature, okay, from the internet, from the books, from the magazines, from all other resources, so that we will be confirmed that this topic or this problem is not taken by the other persons, or these are the research gaps or research questions left by the other researcher. And being of scholar, I'm doing work on that particular research gaps and questions. Okay, only we come to know from the reviews of related literatures. Okay, now question arises, what are the sources of literature review? Okay, from where I will collect these all the data? So you can collect from journal and books, reviews, abstracts, indexes, internet, doctoral dissertations. So guys, we understand one after the other. What are the journal and books? Different research journals and books relevant to the area of interest are the primary sources of review of literature. So guys, you have to understand that, primary source of review of related literatures are the journals and books. Okay, then you can take the help of the reviews. Reviews are the short articles that give brief information regarding the work done in a particular area over a period of time. Reviews are commonly published in journals, yearbooks, handbooks, and encyclopedias. Right? What are the abstracts? Abstracts hota है short form, right? Abstract provide a summary of the research report done in the different fields. These abstracts are the useful sources of up-to-date information for the researchers. Then indexes. Indexes show the title of the research report without any abstract. The titles are categorized and arranged alphabetically in each category so that the researchers can locate any article of the interest easily. So guys, these are the sources of the literature review. Even in your syllabus, it is written what are the sources of literature review other than internet. Okay, so then you can refer these all: journal and books, reviews, abstracts, indexes. Okay. Next, internet. Internet, you are aware of that, right? Today, internet is a very easy and a quick source of a review of literature. Internet sites are very useful for providing easy access to the original writing by important researchers. They also provide such an updated information on a particular topic that ordinarily is not available in the library. You know that internet is a big library. You can get any kind of a knowledge from the internet, right? Internet sites also provide for useful bibliographies related to the particular researchers, as well as dissertations, doctoral dissertation. Okay, you can take the help of a review of related literature with the help of the dissertation, which is written by some other authors. Doctoral dissertations have also been a very good source of review of related literature. In libraries of universities, doctoral dissertations are available. Even on the internet also, you can get it. The researchers can choose the dissertations of their interest and find useful and relevant information there. Right, guys? Okay. Then, last subtopic is the types of literature. Okay. So guys, you should be aware of that being scholar. What are the types of literature? Okay. The one is primary literature, one is secondary, and third is tertiary literature. Primary literature कौन से होते हैं? Primary literature is a primary sources, means original studies based on the direct observation, use of statistical records, interviews, experimental methods, or actual practices or policies. They are authored by the researcher, contains original research data, and usually published in the peer-reviewed journal. This is a very much important, guys. Being principal, being teacher, you should have knowledge of that. Okay, because now, after 5 years, if you realize that whatever you are teaching to your student, that was the wrong knowledge, then what you can do that? So actually, you should be aware that from where you can get the exact information, right? You cannot rely only on the books and others. You should know that whether these books are the direct experiences of someone. For example, you can take the help of any of the sacred book. Okay, even in the Bible. Okay, in the Bible you can see that what the Jesus Christ has said. Okay, what the other person has said. So you should know that primary literature are the primary source, mean original studies based on the direct observation. So guys, you should, from the primary literature, I just want to tell you, you should rely on the research journals, okay, which are peer reviewed journal. Okay, peer reviewed journal, you can rely on that. Okay, second type of a literature, secondary literature, consists of interpretations and evaluation that are derived from or refer to the primary source literature. This is the secondary literature. Examples include review articles and reference works. Guys, have you thought that whatever you are getting from the internet, okay, and you start exchanging the information, you should work on that, whether this information is authentic or not authentic. How you will come to know that authentic? So guys, you have to take care of these all the things, whether it comes from the primary literature, secondary literature, or tertiary literature. tertiary literature consists of a collection of primary and secondary sources, such as books, encyclopedia, articles, guidebooks, or handbooks. These are called the tertiary literatures, guys. It is a consist of collections of primary and secondary sources, right? So blindly, sister, blindly, guys, we cannot trust on all the books and guides. It is written in the books. It is only truth in the world. Okay, we cannot think that. We are the teachers. Who is the teacher? Teacher is the torch bearer to the society. Researchers, we are the scholars, we are the researchers. Okay, that's why this topic is in our B.Ed M.Ed course, right? So the purpose of third tertiary literature is to provide an overview of key research findings and an introductions to the principles and practices within that discipline, right, guys? So these are types of the literatures. Thank you so much, guys. So in today's topic we have come to know that concept and meaning of review of related literature. Okay, whatever the topic we have chosen, so we should consult the review of related literature, so that we will come to know that whether research gaps and research questions we have to work on it. Okay, purpose we have come to know that, importance we have come to know that, sources we have come to know that, right? Sources are books, journals, abstracts, indexes, dissertations, internet, right? Types of review of literature, primary, secondary, and tertiary. I have discussed in this topic. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you so much, guys.